This is the Zebozap outdoor swiveling pillar TV mount, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove only the TV from this mount. Well, you use this hex key or Allen key and remove the black bolts right here, the small ones, and make sure this arrow points up, alright, or else your TV is gonna fall off. So you remove these bolts out. There are two of them, alright. These bolts are used to lock the TV onto the pillar mount. Alright, just use the hex key, which is also given in the product. Alright, so there is one more here, and you gotta remove this also. Let me just do it here. Right, and make sure you keep these bolts properly so that you don't lose them, and then just light up the TV. Alright, just light it up, and now you have the TV removed from the TV mount.